Have you ever felt irritated when someone keeps correcting you for small things? Not big mistakes, not serious problems, but tiny things. Turning off the fan, switching off the TV, saving water, keeping your shoes in place. At some point, it doesn't feel like advice anymore. It feels like control. And slowly, that irritation turns into frustration. But what if I tell you, those small corrections might decide whether your future opens or quietly closes? Listen carefully till the end, because this story may change the way you look at discipline forever. This is the story of a boy, a normal boy with normal dreams. But inside him, there was constant tension, not from the outside world, but from his own home. His mother corrected him all the time. If he stepped out of the room and the fan was still on, switch it off when you leave. If he fell asleep while the TV was playing, turn it off before sleeping. While brushing his teeth, don't waste water. Keep your slippers properly. Fix the mat. Arrange your shoes. Every day the same words. To his mother, they were habits. To him, they felt like chains. Slowly, he started feeling suffocated. At night, lying on his bed, he would think, why does everything have to be so strict? Why can't I just live freely? And one day, a decision formed inside him. When I grow up, I'll get a good job. I'll move far away. No rules, no reminders. Just peace. That dream kept him going. Years passed, and one day, life knocked. A call from a big international company, an interview. If he got selected, he would work abroad. Freedom was no longer a dream. It was close, very close. As he got ready that morning, his heart was racing. This is it, he thought, my escape. Before leaving, his mother said gently, answer confidently. And if you don't know something, smile and say no honestly. He nodded, without realizing. Those words would soon matter. Outside the interview building, there was a small garden. As he walked through it, he noticed something strange, a water pipe, lying carelessly on the ground. Water was flowing everywhere. The path was flooded. People struggled to walk. Some complained, some ignored it. He stopped, looked around. No staff, no gardener. For a moment, he hesitated. This isn't my job, a voice said inside his head. But another voice, quieter, deeper, pushed him forward. He picked up the pipe, fixed it properly, made a small path for the water to drain. His clothes got dirty. Time slipped away. He didn't know it yet, but every small action was being noticed. As he climbed the stairs, he noticed a light switched on. Sunlight filled the room. He paused, then turned it off. Near the interview room, the foot mat was upside down. He fixed it. Then he sat quietly, waiting. When his name was called, he entered the room. The interviewer looked at him, smiled, and asked, when would you like to start? The boy froze. Sir, you haven't asked me anything. The interviewer replied, I've been watching you on CCTV. Many people came today. Everyone ignored the small problems. Some thought, it's too small. Others thought, not my responsibility. But you acted without being asked. I didn't select your answers. I selected your discipline. In that moment, the boy remembered his mother, her repeated words, her strict reminders. The things he once hated had shaped him silently. And because of that, his life changed. The discipline that feels heavy today becomes your freedom tomorrow. Everyone wants success, but very few choose discipline. Talent helps you start. Luck helps you dream. But discipline takes you to the end. Discipline isn't control, it's care. Small habits, done daily, build unshakable character. And character creates opportunities. Remember, discipline is the bridge between dreams and reality. Today it feels hard. Tomorrow, it becomes your strength. So promise yourself, even when no one is watching, I will stay disciplined. I will give my best.